Hello everybody! Let's go with a tutorial about Google Docs, the free Google text processor. We are going to see how to convert this recipe, this document, into this one, using many of the menus that Google Docs offers us, including a table, including an image, and giving it a good format. And also exporting the document as a PDF file that we can share easily. In the video information I leave you the link to this file so you can see how it should look all the time. It can serve you as a guide. And I also leave you this document with all the text and the image so you can work on it until you get the final result. When you paste the link of this document in your browser, you will see Request Edit Access. Don't do that. Just go to File and make a copy. So you will have your own copy that you can work without problems with all the menus of Google Docs. Okay, so let's organize our screen. We could place this, for example, here. And here I can have the document. And here you could put the video, for example. Like that you can see the document. You could also see the video and work in this part. Check out that you can zoom the PDF in this area to see it better. And check out too that a few buttons of Google Docs are hidden here, so you can maximize it when you need them, or just go to this button that says More, and you have them there. Okay, we're ready. Let's start to work. Let's start with the margins of the document, right? Where you can find them here, File, Page Setup, and here you have the margins. I apply them to the whole document, and usually I have 2 centimeters at the top and also at the left part. And then in the bottom area, just 1.5 and also at right. Like that you can make better use of the paper. And here the page color, for example, this one. Okay. Now we do have the same margins. All right. Another possibility is to move the margins here. But this is more imprecise, right? But you can also check them there. And here for the top margin, for example. All right. Okay, so let's select all the text in the document, like here, Edit, Select All. Perfect. Or also you can drag the mouse, right? And check that the type font is Arial. It's the one that comes by default. It's one of the best to read on the screen, but you could change it. Okay, I click outside. Let's go with the title here. I select this area. I'm going to make a bit of zoom to see it better, right? And here the title goes with bold, underline, and the size is going to be 26. You can also introduce it from the keyboard. Perfect. Okay, so here we can see that this text is the same here, right? But this one is in italics, so I select it and I apply italic, right? Let's go now with the image. Okay, the image is at the very bottom, so I go to the image. First of all, I select wrap text. That's it. Now I can reduce a little bit the size, and I'm going to move it to the upper part. Hop, hop, hop. Let's do it a little bit smaller, like that. Not so much. We can adjust it later. Perfect. We also have the image now. Very important, the paragraphs. Check out that here they are left aligned, but not here. They are not justified, but we want them justified. So we are going to select all the text. Perfect. And we're going to say here, justify. Perfect. Now it's much better. Let's continue with this font. This is bold, right? You see it there. And now we are going to place all these times in a table, like this one. It is a table with 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 2 columns, but the first row has 2 cells that are merged. So we come here and we go to Insert, Table, 2 per 4. That's it. Now we can reduce the size. If you need, you can temporarily move the image, reduce it more. Perfect. Now we can place the image again. And here is our table. First we drag the content, so this goes here, preparation goes next, 10 minutes go here, and I finish dragging these 2 hours. Okay, now the format, okay, this is too large, so better like this. Now we have to merge the first 2 cells, so here, merge cells, perfect. Now the style of the table, we can select it and we can click here in table options, or also here, table properties. We're going to select the color of the border, that is black, alright, and we are going to make it thicker, 1.5, perfect. The cell background color, for example, this one. And now the text, for the text, well, I can close this, right? I have black in the first row and kind of brown in this area. So these texts go in brown, something like this. And now bold to everything. Perfect. Let's adjust it a little bit. Okay. Here we have many line breaks, so I delete them, delete. I can also do suppress. Alright. Now let's work on ingredients and ingredients for decoration. All this part, this thing, we want format, columns, 2 columns. I could change the size and so on, but I can leave them like that. And I want my ingredients for decoration in a second column, so here I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to insert a break. Here are also the page breaks that are very important when you want to jump to the next page without using enter, right? But here we're going to use column break. That's it. Much better. Now apply bold for this, bold for these 2, and for these, all of these ingredients, we're going to use bulleted list. Hop. Same thing for those ones. Hop. Okay, here we have a few empty lines. So what we are going to do is to view show non-printing characters, and I can see where are my enters, right? So I can erase this one, delete, right? And also here, and suppress here. That's it. Now I can deactivate them. This is very useful to see all the enters and spaces. Alright, and let's finish with the preparation. Very easy. Bold for the title, and here we want a numbered list. This one. Now we have the document. How to export it to, oh, check it out. There are empty lines at the end, so go to here, suppress, perfect. Now, how to prepare the PDF? Very easy. File, download, PDF. You can also download it for Word or for other programs. PDF, perfect. Now you can share this PDF. Let's open it. We did it. Check out the information of the video for more tutorials about Google Docs. See you next time.